Has this consumed your life?
It really has.
From his dining room table in Newington, Connecticut, David Schwartzer is battling a multi-billion-dollar section of the insurance industry.
We are budgeting more today for long-term care than we do for property tax, homeowners insurance, and monthly utilities combined.
The retired insurance executive fighting, he says, to protect his family.
If something happens to both of us and we don't have long-term care insurance, these are the people that are going to have to figure it out.
He tracks policy rate increases, holds seminars to educate seniors, and pushes state lawmakers to change the long-term care insurance industry. Because of a series of rate increases, David says he and his wife Judy can barely hold on to their policies, meant to provide coverage for things like nursing homes or in-home personal care when needed.
It's all at a time when we're getting older and we're thinking this could happen.
Back in 2004, the couple purchased their policies from Genworth, one of the nation's largest providers, hoping it would help them financially if they needed care in old age. Back then, each plan cost just over $1,100 annually. Now in their 70s, David and Judy are each paying more than $4,600 per year for long-term care premiums. That's almost a 300% increase.
It was probably a case of bait and switch. We're offering you a really cheap policy, and then we're going to start giving you these rate increases, and we're going to see how far can we push you before you cry uncle and say, I give up, I can't afford it anymore.
In a statement, Genworth told NBC News the insurer has suffered significant losses on long-term care policies, pointing to faulty assumptions it made in the past, saying its rate increases are necessary to make sure every policyholder receives meaningful long-term care benefits, adding it offers alternatives, including reducing certain benefits to lower monthly premiums.
This is absolutely a crisis in terms of being able to offer the coverage to people that they need.
Andrew Mays is the Connecticut Insurance Commissioner. His office is responsible for approving rate increases.
We have to ensure the companies remain solvent. The only thing worse than having to pay an increased premium is paying a premium for a policy that can't deliver.
From the Connecticut Insurance Department database, NBC News counted 38 separate rate hike requests made by Genworth for its long-term care policies since 2011. Half of those requests were in excess of 50%. The majority were partially granted by Mays' department. Genworth is just one of many insurers requesting vast increases nationwide.
How did so many major insurers misjudge this market so badly?
That is a good question. I think they made assumptions based on the data that they had at the time.
Who pays for those mistakes? The companies or the consumers?
Sadly, it is often both.
David and Judy have already paid a price and are now bracing for the next potential rate increase.
If we walk away from this policy, we've taken $100,000 and just wasted it.
Okay, Erin joins us now live. Erin, walk our viewers through this. What's at the crux of why these premiums are going up so much?
Well, Tom, a big part of this is about the policies having to pay out. Mays says when many insurers sold these policies years ago, they assumed a certain number of folks would eventually drop them. That projection was way off the mark. More people held on. Now millions of seniors are paying the price.
All right, Erin, thank you for that. We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.